This video will give you a quick overview of webform translations. The basic idea of webform translations is that you can have a web form in multiple languages, and then it will show the correct language to each form filler depending on their browser settings. So I have a web form here, and it's in English by default, but if I were a native Spanish speaker with my browser language settings set to Spanish, I would see a Spanish version of the web form. So I have a browser set up with Spanish as its default language, and so I'm able to see the Spanish version of the web form. And so everything in this web form experience is translated. So all of the labels, the titles, the buttons, everything, including the signature experience. So I can go show you a little bit of the signature experience as well. So everything is in Spanish, all of the text. Great. So now I can show you how we can enable this for your workflows. So we have this new translate button here. When you click that, you get to select the current language that the web form is in. So mine is in English, and I want to translate this into Spanish. So this is just setting up for the first time. We can add more languages later. So there you go. So we've added Spanish, and everything has been automatically translated. And so then when we go back to English, everything that is changed here on the English version will be automatically translated into the Spanish version. So if I were to change this to home address, then that would be reflected in the Spanish version as well. And these are AI generated translations, so they might be a little awkward or maybe not correct sometimes, and in that case you can actually override them in each specific language. So if I just wanted this one to say address, I can do that, and it tells you that it's been sort of overridden here. All right, great. So we will publish this. Okay, back to our Spanish browser here. You can see that the web form has been translated into Spanish and includes our overrides. And that's all. So if you have any questions, reach out to us at support@useanvil.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.